Letter W. Window. Watermelon. Wood. Windmill. Wolf. Watch. The Fox and the Grapes. A fox was once very hungry and went in search of some food. He searched everywhere, but he couldn't find anything that he could eat. Finally, with his stomach rumbling, he came upon a farmer's wall. On top of the wall were the biggest, juiciest grapes the fox had ever seen. The rich purple colour told the fox that were ready to be eaten. The fox jumped high in the air to catch the grapes in his mouth, but he missed. He tried again and missed again. He tried a few more times, but missed each time. Finally, the fox decided to go home all the while, muttering, "I'm sure the grapes were sour anyway." Moral of the story: it's easy to hate what you can't have. Rule 1. Listen when your teacher is talking. Rule 2. Follow directions carefully. Rule 3. Respect yourself, respect others, and respect your school. Rule 4. Raise your hand when like to speak. Do not call out. Rule 5. Be safe, honest, helpful, and neat. Introduction to the number 5. I went to a farm one day. I heard 5 ducks say quack, 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 quack. Trace over the dotted number with your finger or crayon and say 5 aloud. Vegetables. Potato. Tomato. Carrot. Spinach. Coriander. Vegetables. Brinjal. onion. Lady's finger. Capsicum. Beans. Cut the ladle finger from the centre and dip into a thick paste of watercolour. Now colour the tomato with the ladle finger printing. Flowers. Sunflower. Rose. Aster. Hibiscus. Marigold. Orchid. Lotus.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain.
Introduction parts of a plant.
Flower, fruit, leaf, stem, roots, branch,
Introduction life cycle of plant.
Soil. Seed. The seed gets planted in the soil. It needs sun and water. Germination. The seed grows a little sprout. Roots and stem. The roots grow steep and the stem pushes its way through the soil. Seedling. The plant grows leaves and grows towards the sun. The sun helps it produce food. Pollination. The full growth plant produces flowers that will be pollinated by animals or wind. These flowers will produce more seeds.
Hello, I am Nihar. Hi, I am Rahul. Different types of fruits. Strawberry. Peach. Orange. Apple. Watermelon. Papaya. Mango. Cherries.